What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You know what screams luxury? Wood and leather. Well, you get the best of both right here in this little wood-like case. It's not real wood. It's just a veneer on a case here, but kind of see a little like press board. But what we do get is a real leather case for my iPhone in here, and I thought this might look pretty nice and kind of match the Shinola leather journal that I got. And I'll tell you what, man, I just love the look of this. Opening this sucker up, I love the fact that it's almost a little bit distressed. You get a little bit of kind of color variation on it. Man, that looks awesome to me. Holy smokes, that thing smells amazeballs. I mean, it smells like rich leather. I love the fact that this button right here that looks like it's molded in seems to be metal. So that's kind of interesting that you got that. And you've got it on the sides here. Another really nice touch. Dude, I'm stoked about this case. And a little cutout here for the volume mute switch. You can see here it's almost a little bit of a rolled edge around the camera. And then down here, full cutouts for the speakers and whatnot. And then inside we have basically, I think this is microfiber, but it's like almost like a suede-like backing, so you don't have to worry about scratching the back case. This looks and smells amazing. Dude, look at that. That is like a nice leather couch. I would love to see this type of leather in cars. Kind of reminds me of the leather that they use in the Ford F-150 King Ranch edition. That looks fantastic. Let's stop beating around the bush and look at it on an iPhone here. So XS Max, the iPhone that I use, and you can see here the edge is actually pretty level with the screen, maybe just a smidge higher, so you probably get a little production there. Plenty of space for the cutouts here. The button right here, man, that works great, and you get a nice tactile feel here. Volume rockers, no problem. I can reach the mute switch, all covered up there. Plenty of space around the camera, so you won't have any issue with that. But golly jeez, I love this look. Absolutely love it. I'll tell you what, I could breathe in that smell all day long. Wood box, leather iPhone case cover. Even though the wood is fake, this leather is real, and that wood box is actually, I really like the presentation because it makes it seem like you're getting a premium product in here, and you are. This thing is sick. Dude, I can't wait to sport this bad boy. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.